Hey everyone, in this video I want to tell you about a program that really surprised me, and this program called 4DDIG, and you'll find a download link in the description so you can check it out yourself. This program can do a lot. It can fix broken files, make photos better, and even add color to black and white pictures or video. But the most important feature, and the one I like the most, is called AI Video Enhancer. Why is that so useful? If you make videos, you know that sometimes the quality is not good. Maybe video looks blurry, colors are flat, or faces don't look clear. But with AI Video Enhancer, you can fix all that. Here's how it works. First, you run your videos through AI Video Enhancer and it makes the video sharper, brighter, and clearer. After that, you can edit it, and the final video looks much more professional. If you open AI Video Enhancer, you can find three models. General model, best for nature, animals, or objects, because make them sharp and adjust the colors. Face model, designed for people, it recognizes faces and make them clearer in HD, which is perfect for vlogs and interviews. Anime model, this one is fun because it improves anime videos or even turns any video into anime style. You can also set the resolution. For example, you can upgrade from Full HD to 4K, and you can choose what's more important, speed or quality. If you are in a rush, go with speed, but I really suggest choosing quality because the result looks amazing. There's also an auto-save option, which means file saves by itself after you finish, so you don't lose it. Now, let's quickly look at the other tools inside 4DDIG. File repair. This feature has 4 modes: repair photos, videos, documents, and even audio files. If a file is damaged or won't open, the program will try to fix it. These utilities make 4DDIG not just a data recovery program, but a complete tool for protecting and managing your files. There's also a photo enhancer for pictures, and the colorize tool, which lets you add color to black and white photos or videos. It's great for family memories or old archives. But for me, the best feature is still AI Video Enhancer, because it can make any video look new and professional. So if you want your content to look better, keep your memories in high quality, or just try something cool, go and try 4DDIG with AI Video Enhancer. And remember, you can download this program using link in the description or from Microsoft Store or Apple Store, whichever is easier for you. So if this program and information were helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And write the comments if this information was useful for you.